Remakeup ta achu ikhamtai apawing. Imphali permanent tribal hut Hami Kwai Pohaira. Election Commissioner Otpam Hangsa Arun Goel Chisin Haira. Lekhyang Thor Ajit Tangkol Express Pipau Thang Miring Chodang in a Pamidale, Pawing Mesaina Nang Rumsa. Imphali permanent tribal hut Lemi Kwai Pohaira. Kapung Nobing we Yari Rin, Lansin Rin Angred Matamai Kwai, La Matailak Aina, Louis Kavanau, Pangot Kasana Pini, Katomi Kwai, Imphali tribal hut permanent collector Kasayada, tribal hut Manipu Tamna Timan Saira. Darung Women Hall Imphal Wesley Tham Executive Committee Otpam Chikasin Kachip Kuikada Chili Tham President Ngatang Mi Hongyo Nagahang India we State Kachungali Tribal Hut Leng Roka Ka Manipur Jangda North Eastern Stately Tribal Hut Kawat Thaihuya Tampakli Permanent Tribal Hut Haimi Aka Kapung District we Aina Kashok Shom Shirin Pangthem Otyur Ping Tambak District li Sampang Sakta Farmers Ping we Lansin Rin li Kadomira da Hangsanga Tamna Rakra Tarau Kachang Tribal Hut Expo Rung Mikwai Sadalay Kala Expo J Imphal East Hata Kanjay Pungli Rung Mikwai Kamia Pohaira Kajila Hanga Kazip Chile Tam we advisor Ping BD Bering MK Pressure Shimre Kala U Jonathan Dao Atumla Presidum Member Sada Vazanga Election Commissioner Gatum Kalewi Ngapam Aka former bureaucrat Arun Goel na Kuihaira. Chief Election Commissioner Saksa Sushil Chandrana Karam Gachang Rita Sakahai Tili 3-member Election Commissioner of India Willi Commissioner Akawi Otpam Masai Ksana Rajiv Kumar na Chandrawi Mahuchin Kala Election Commissioner Aka Anup Chandra Pandey na Sakhaina Kumarwi Dinner 2025 Kum Marun Gachang Paira Kala Ali Shingi Gji Goel na Chief Election Commissioner Sahara. Election Commissioner Arun Goel 1985 batch Punjab Katri India Administrative Service Officer Akhana. Sangsha Kui Aina Janapa Vashungkwai National Highway 102A Shongfug Assembly Kasom Kulen Aina Pungyer Subdivision li Sajagida Leda Chui Maram Rakra Haptali Ngsangida Lele. Kamjong District we Additional Deputy Commissioner na Maram Hiwi Gachishat Mishokta Achuwi Tarek Magada Chishatang Concerned Line Department being Kamjong DC came Office Imphali Ngshun Gazip Pamrada Langchin Saira Kasom Kulen Pungyer we Subdivisional Officers being La Chui Village Headman Chiefs being La Gazip Chili Zangkwai DC China Kanghot Mishoka Manipur Tourism Department Makokami Hakmakap Kachi Sangai Festival Aya Sangai Ethnic Park li Abokaira Moirang Kuno Bishnubu District li Semdetar Kachi Park Chili Kazipta Union Tourism Minister G Gishan Reddy na Nitreji Unghapok Mia Tourism Minister na Ghang Sangai Festival hi Zingumaba Mega Tourism Festival on Harada PM Moti na Hangajia Kala Indian now being South Africa London Canada Switzerland Katha Ayar Ngale Yauzata Kale Pingchina Manipur we Kamatha hi Thaisi Gaja Atumwi Holiday Plan Mugshoi Ngajay Haura Gaja Atumwi Yaw Khawai Atazanli Manipur la Changhaura da Hanga Rida we Matala Ajukum Sangai Festival chi Singsho Shong Bihang Ado Shong Mao Zangda Apam Tarada Matili Rumidale Nidre Haugpok Chili Matailag Aina Sangai Ethnic Park chi Taiga Kui Samanga Kala Tribal Communities Tumrada Katumwing Shan Shimla Semhaida chi Yanga Kuila Sambanga Sangai Ethnic Park chi Pei Tarik Magada Chishatli Habokta Kajang Gatum Shika Mangwe Alungli Kuki Jihaira Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na Hanga State Tourism Department we Matun Aina Pong Kami Atishura Sangai Ethnic Park Kasem Chili Lupa 4.45 crore Shika Zanga Kala Ethnic Park Semka Kwai Ngalepam Ji Moirang Kuno we Ramnau Bingna Compensation Mukilakla Kalemai na Chikat Kamina de Hanga Rajya Sabha MP Maharaj Laisemba Lagzip Chili Wazangda Akamangji Sangai Sangapangpam Kangapong Kaibu Lamchau National Park Leda Clay Loktak Lake Chi Ngakmi Kwai Indian Shorka Lake Kangakau Saira Kala Bolo came Lekang Sak Boni Yurla Tanglak Hauda Shorkarna Ngatang Mikwai MP China Hangsanga Loktak Lake Central Hydraulic Excavator Aya Chief Minister N. Piren Singh na launch Sami Hera. Gazip chi Loktak Development Authority na Mokok Mita Public Health Engineering Minister L. Susindro Maite and Loktak Development Authority with Chairman Moirangthem Asni Kumar Lavasanga. N. Piren Singh na gahang State we Rijum Nauping Wibang Loktak Leki Kanala Kauda Kongre je Machak Shikwai Shorkarna Pekar Ngatayda Kuidale. Kongji Preserve Sak Vai Cabinet Subcommittee Semaira Gala Loktak Lake Pumwi Demarcation Masangla Sahara Gala Rejuvenation Work Sa Atamli Lokers Nauping League Chot Masampang Sakmarada Chief Minister Nahanga. Loktak Lake Li Semkakashim Floating Huts Pingji Mata Salala Taraka Paida Haira Gala Lake we environmentally Masazak Vai Huts Pingji Apam Chalak Aina La Thermatengda Semkakatarga Saida CM Nahanga. Loktak Lake Kabang Quick Vai Gasali Jibam Chili Pum the Kaleram Nauping na Katom Kami Wibang CM na Ningishi Pangshoka. Asian Development Bank na Financial Support Milaga State na Loktak Lake J World Class Level Li Semkara da CM na Hanga. Pire na gahang G20 ngalay bingwi minganing ping Zinguma Marun Kachang Loktak Lake Li Ungyangida Leda Atumong Rang Laga Sakamata Tarkar Saga Haina Chia. Ara Ecotourism Hotspot Musaga High Loktak Lake Li Tourist Nauping na Ningasangla Lake Taipo Kaira da Loktak Development Authority with Chairman Moirangthem Asni Kumar Nahanga. Kala Loktak Development Authority with Hotkana Aina Lake Chi Southeast Asia with Kamataya Akang Sarada Hangsanga. Travis Nauping Li Katom Kami Ayin Narendra Motina Katan Central Shokarna Ngzang Sakaira da Congress Katana Rahul Gandhi Penhaira. Tribal Nauping Le Empower Sakavaida United Progressive Alliance na Semkahai Laws Chi Moti Shokarna Ngzan Sakaira Kalachi Congress na Pangsha Pamli Kaluyaka Malingung Sakrada Rahul Gandhi Hanga. Maharashtra Buldhana District Le Adivasi Mahila Workers Samelan Gzipta Gandhi Naghang Travis Nauping Hina Ngalehui Leivu Karena Kala Richum Naukatewi Mashun Kalayaka Atumila Leya Hanga. Panchayats Extension to Satur Area Act, Forest Rights Act, Land Rights, Panchayat Raj Act, Kala Local Bodies we Shanao Reservation Igadahi Modi Shokarna Ngazan Saktaleda Kantina Hangsanga. Congress na Shokar Pungaka Hangaha Ayin Pingji Malingmai Zatng Sakra Kala Tribals Nauping Wivang Park Vai Ayin Kathala Kiramirada Rahul Kantina Hanga. Tangko Katam Nausak Long with President na TGS Constitution ni Matung Makanda Sawada Kato Katam Naulong na Makamia Kala Katana Chue Azingli Mushur Murakaji Ngabawhaira. Kato Katam Naulong China Contamination Mishokta Kahang TGS with President Shimri Rising na TGS Constitution Article number 30 li John Makanda Twitter Kuihawa. Kala President China Decision Kakuji TGS Rian we Atishura Samik Vai Kato Katam Naulong na Pola la Maheng Sangla Sahawajia. Chuivang Shimri Rising na TGS Tanda Lelaka Aina Tangda Kato Katam Naulong na Awi Katan Alungli Magato Mara Chihera. Long China Ayang Avong Shokta Gahang Ayang Apai Tarek Magada Akawi Aina Twitter TGS Li Cooperation Mami Mara Shoka. Kala Kato Lehali Shimri Rising we Katanwi Alungli TGS we Otngrut Musinga Pai Mara Chihera. Article number 30 J Mamshung Shokrang Laka Aina Tangda TGS President we Office Misho Pai Mara Dala Kato Katam Naulong we Contamination Jili Kabisanga. Rian Chapter Trada Aga Article number Tumrawi Maram Jili TGS we Shong Aina Thar Kamishoga. Long Jinagahang Maram J and some election 2022 to 2024 recommendation winner. Recommendation Mishokavaida Tatraha Tariq Tumtang Senior Consultation Pomda Kzip Chili former TGS President Jishat Senior Activist Mati Zona President Pangakala Kato Taisokala Yang Rupai Student Conference with President Pinglavazangachia. Atumna recommendation to Dak Hilaka Gaji Mukirer to the Executive Council Gaja candidate Chi decide Saranada Miang Rock Hainachia. Chita Sada Tatraha Tarik Tarada Pangathang Council meeting Hota Chile Gazang Council member Huvuna Ajue Gasaga Juncture Hiliva Presidential Bosley recommends Sasada unanimously Miang Rokajia. Tarik Tarada Shinitang Presidential Kala General Secretary Boswi candidate Kanili Officely to Sarum Laga Council Chi unanimous decision Chi Paikashok Taran General Secretary Post we candidate na mamia kangai pongshok da 3rd October meeting thangwi majority claim sayeda hanga. Chililang with the council we unanimous decision li question sada majority claim salushida. Kala candidate china TKS we Rian chapter trada aga article number tumra aina challenge sahauda assembly affairs li house ngohot mikwai 20 October thang leda misanga. Ka 22nd October thang assembly affairs na tribunals pingli ngasun laga executive council li decision kumi haurano da redirect sahara da 24 October thang emergency council meeting ngohot lui shit kachina jia. Meeting chili ngasan nge salaga candidate kanini accommodate sami house da executive council na 12 recommendation mida recommendation je personally handover sami da anina accept saye da hanga. Ka 11 November thang ansam we election commission na kibos we wang recommendation akamang mikwai notification chokau da 17 November thang emergency council meeting hodlu shida council na laluidang san roka kala remitui da kuika high resolution 15 October thangji re-endorse house da ngazekta TKS executive council na presidential boss recommendation mishokawa kala 24 October le 12 recommendation mishoka haiji mazat na luimra da tag haina chia chita da sada TKS executive council mingpo singlaga makam shungpao ngyaumi da khalehi ngasam khwai kala phaptang room da TKS maling lak aina otsawa room khwai third kami shokna da public relation information and publicity secretary ungjiso huilengna kapishoka Manipur aina Mizoram ngrik vai Jarjanpu duivai shongfu zinguma semku power da hangdale National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited na gahang double lane Jarjanpu duivai package IVA che zinguma kupsang haura 11.15 km kasang shongfu je lupa 114.68 crore man ena sem daglena laluida aju wikamata ya pauping Imphale permanent tribal hut Hamikwai Pohaira Election Commissioner Otpam Hangsa Arun Koeli Chisinhaira Aju wipau hiling janghaira pau ngana daklin tum sai korale ringapagala kamaya zimishong sa serano